Protect and enhance the beauty of natural stone with an easy-to-apply penetrating sealer. Aqua Mix sealers help protect natural stone from water and stain-causing foods and drinks. The sealer also protects exterior stone against the effects of weather and outdoor contaminants. The more porous the stone, the more important it is to seal using a high-performance formula. Aqua Mix Sealer's Choice Gold is a professional quality option. Sealer's Choice Gold is a premium water-based sealer that provides maximum stain protection without changing the appearance of the stone. Its rapid curing formula is perfect for use in food preparation areas and for fast-track construction projects. For a more dramatic look, apply Aqua Mix Enrich'N'Seal, a premium penetrating sealer that deepens and enhances the color of the stone. Enrich'N'Seal adds character, but will not create any sheen on the surface, leaving the stone looking naturally beautiful. Stone can be sealed at the job site, though large slabs and tiles are usually pre-sealed after fabrication and prior to installation. The first step with all Aqua Mix sealing products is to clean the area thoroughly to remove any dust or contaminants. Then, apply a coat of the sealer. You can use a sponge, paint pad, roller, or soft bristle brush to help reach all areas of an uneven surface. On a vertical surface, apply the sealer from the bottom up to prevent any sealer from running down the wall. Wait 5 minutes, and then any sealer remaining on the stone and/or grout should be wiped completely dry using clean cotton or microfiber towels. If you're applying additional coats to very porous stone, allow the sealed surface to dry for at least 30 minutes in between coats. Sealers provide stain resistance and reaction time to allow spills to be cleaned up. It's still important to clean spills as soon as they're noticed to help prevent any staining of the stone. For routine cleaning after the stone has been sealed, use a neutral Aqua Mix stone cleaner to prevent acids or chemicals from damaging the surface. Periodically test the surface to see if water penetrates. If it does, it's time to reseal the stone. Thanks for joining us to learn about sealing and enhancing natural stone. The care and maintenance pages on the custom website offer helpful details and technical data on each sealer. For more information on tile and stone care, visit us online at custombuildingproducts.com.